Hi, in this video we will see how to attach single variables to text boxes. First, click on Edit for the corresponding section, go to Form, drag the text box, we'll drag 2. So here, once you have the text box, click on the text box, make sure text box appears here so you know that it is selected. Go to Properties, change the label. Let's change it to first name. Then we go to variables. This is where we will be attaching a single variable to this text box. Go ahead, navigate to connection to variables. From the first drop down, select AI action form. From the second drop down, select single variable. Search for the variable that you want. So here I'll be attaching VR first name string. So place your cursor on it, click, and you can see that it is attached here. In case you want to detach it, you can click on this or attach another variable. So now this particular text box is associated with the variable this. Okay, let's try that once more. Let's save this and then try that once more. Go back. Go to Forms. Click on Edit. Click on the text box. Properties. Page. Variables. AI action form. And the variable. Make sure the attachment has happened. Once it has happened, preview and save. Bye.